Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out Severed Steel. Yeah, so this game is an early access demo. It still hasn't announced the date yet, so it's TBA. You know what I'm saying? It's still to be announced the date for this release. Nobody knows when this game is gonna be released, but we're gonna check this demo out, see what it's about. I think it's about you're supposed to be this one-armed person. You only got one arm. And that's all the info I know for now. So when we get in the game, we'll have more information on this game. Word up. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you are a first-time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video. It is much appreciated. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J __X. Yeah. So let's see what this game is about, man. Severed Steel. Let's do the tutorial first. New. So you got cold steel. Okay, so cold steel, a more relaxed experience. The enemy count is lower and enemies always drop guns with a full ammo, but a little gentler. You may die a lot, but that only makes victory that much sweeter. Generous use of stunts required to survive. Restore health and bullet time by defeating enemies. Being that, let's try this one, man. Being that we're just trying to figure out this game. I see the walls closing in. Let me get out of here. Tap B. Okay. To slide, tap B while moving. Okay. Oh, kick. Okay. I can't tell you who I am yet. They might be listening. I'm sorry about your arm. Okay, yeah, you cut off my fucking arm. Let's see. Press R to kick door. Press R to kick and disarm enemies. Press R to kick. Kicking can disarm enemies and open and lock doors quickly. Oh, so I could kick an enemy. Okay. Like that. Like that. Like that. Press Y to launch into a dive. Diving lets you smash through glass and dodge bullets. Okay, you could dodge bullets. Okay. So why you could dodge bullets? Wow. And if I could jump through here, yeah. Yes, I can. All right, let's go. Why? I wonder how I dodge bullets. Press A or L, then dive while in the air. Do you remember the accident? They were so cruel to throw you away like that. I can help you get revenge. Yo, man. Y'all better call me if y'all want some fucking voiceovers, man. Call Jamaican J, bro. Alright, that is locked. Is it locked or what? I can't even see shit. Okay, there we go. You can jump while wall running to access higher ledges. Alright, so jump. Let's jump. Alright. Let me get a little distance. I think I'm pushing the wrong button, you know. There we go. I got a problem with following directions sometimes. Get out there, man. Be careful. There is danger ahead. But I understand that you are no stronger to combat. Good luck. Alright, here we go. There are gun turrets ahead. While you are doing stunts, bullets miss you. Use slides, wall runs, or dives to get across the hall. Oh shit. Ooh, wait, did you see that? One shot, baby. I only fired one shot. This game is dope already. I'm buying this when it comes out. No. Y'all ain't gonna kill me like that. And when I got this fat, what is this? Cobra in my hand. Cobra revolver. Alright, let's go. I don't know what the fuck it is, but looks like a cobra. Alright. Let's see this motherfucker. I see him right there. Take one in your nuts too, bro. Take one in your nuts. Jeez, that was dope. L to enter slow motion. Fill your slow motion meter by dealing damage. Slow motion will always work while you're in a stunt. Now go ahead, lad. Alright, let me see. Yeah. Look around the corner, baby. I only got one hand. Okay. Okay, Neo time. Oh, yo, damn! I ain't got no weapon. I ain't got no more guns. Kick him up. Oh shit! I kicked the hell out of that shit. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, I died. Look like I died. Oh, he dropped a gun? Yes, he did. Yes, he did drop a gun. I can't jump through here. This dude again, man. Alrighty. Gotta jump over this. I gotta get over this. Who's shooting at me though? Oh, come on. I gotta jump over this. Come on, boy. Okay, here we go. I ain't wasting none of these bullets, y'all. Okay. Fill your slow motion meter by dealing damage. Slow motion will always work. Okay, I saw that already. Which way I go now? This way? Kick. There are soldiers ahead. Take them all down. Ready? Fight! Okay, let me see if I could get out of here. I see something on the wall over here. Okay, what kind of gun is this? XM8. Take that. Why not? Okay, which way to go now? There are enemy troops nearby. Their bullets always miss you or doing stunts. Dive, slide, wall run. Dive, slide, wall run. Oh, I slide again. Oh, that's my... Oh, I could throw my gun. Okay. Okay. You could use your gun like... and throw it. Oh, it's B. It's B. Okay. Alright, cool. I want to make sure before I go out there. I thought he was dead. I thought he was dead, yo. Somebody's shooting from behind, yo. I can't see him, though. Oh, that's... Oh, he was right there. Okay. Alrighty. 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 It's on now. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is. I was waiting for you, bro. I've been forgetting the fucking buttons, man. Everything is happening so fast, yo. It's like a fucking adrenaline rush out here. Alright, alright, alright. Where's the guns? Where's the fucking guns, man? Okay, I'm gonna do a lot of diving. Fuck it. Where am I? Where am I? I fell downstairs. Oh, R to kick, man. R to kick, you piece of shit. R to kick, fucking asshole. You are so dumb, dude. You could have... I could have fucked them up right there, bro. I could have fucked them up right there. I think I got that one. Oh, wrong move. Got him. I see you, dude. I know you're running around here somewhere. There he is. Yo, this is so fucking... This game is gonna be real good when it comes out, man. I'm already in love with this game. Alright. I just want to go straight down, but I keep diving over the other side for some reason. You see, I keep falling down here. Okay, I see the step. I see the fucking step. Oh, where is he? Oh, you over there, you bitch. Piece of shit. Man, this is a... Maybe I'm holding my thing too long. My adrenaline. I'm using it up. Get in there, man. Let them come up in here. Oh, he got me. Whew. This game, boy. All right, let me go a different way this time. Push out your head, boy. That was dope. That was stupid. That was just dumb right there. Oh, I think I've been running out of juice too quick, man. I've been using it up. I don't know. Maybe I'm using it up. Oh, I miss him, bro. Oh, I miss him. I'm going back for him. Is he alive or what? Missed that motherfucker too. Somebody's up. Stop playing with me, man. Stop fucking oh. Lay it down, bro. Who else? Who else wants some of Debo? Oh, I see one over here. He's up in that room right there. Oh, I had to reverse, bro. I had to reverse. I need gun. There's one up top. Oh, I get him. Oh, he sees me. Okay. That's how you do it, baby. You have completed the Severed Steel tutorial. Now you may go and kill as much people as you like. Thank you for doing this tutorial. Put your skills to the test in arcade mode. Alright, let's check out arcade mode. Okay. Temper Steel, waste management. You can't play waste management. Heavy pistol. I don't want no heavy pistol, man. SMG. What's this? What's mutators? Mutators. What is that? I don't know what mutators is, but let me see. Paintball. Hey man, I don't know what the fuck that is. Alright, let's try it. Let's try this out. Arcade mode. But we just did this, didn't we? Alright, let's try it one more time then, since they want us to try it one more time. 12 remaining, 12 people. Let's go! Alright. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Get from behind the door, boy. Son of a bitch. That's what you call me? Oh shit, I can't go that way. I see you. I see you, bro. Oh, get out, move from there. Come around this way. Where is he? He's somewhere right here. He's following behind me. Is he trailing me? Where the fuck is he? I think he's following me, yo. I can't see him on the radar. He's up top. Alright. You up top, bro? Are you up top? Oh, hold it, bro, hold it. Oh, somebody shot me in my back? Are you kidding me? Alright, I'm gonna keep this gun. I think this gun is... I'm gonna keep this gun right here. Don't fuck with me, boy. Can I get a reload? No? Where's that coming from? Oh. I remember you from the last time, bitch. Ah, you ain't gonna shoot me so easy. How much? Fuck out of here. I gotta move, man. I know he was gonna kill me, yo. I knew it. I knew he was gonna kill me. Oh, shit. I love this gun. Oh, no, don't waste your adrenaline. This guy at the door. Get from behind the door. Get from behind the door, bitch. Get from behind the door. Get from behind the door. I'm right here, man. I'm right here. I'm right here, bro. I'm right here. Ooh, you didn't just do that, bro. You just do that. You didn't just do that, bro. You get. Oh, where's that coming from? From in here? He's up top? Okay. Two for the price of one. Two for the price of one. Two for the price of one. Come on now. I'm not playing with y'all. Where are you, bro? Where are you? Where are you, bro? Don't do that. Get up, Jay. Get up. Ooh-wee. Max Payne, bitch. Max Payne. I see you up there. I'm coming. Ooh, who do that? Slide under here, bro. Slide under there. Jump out. Jump out. Move. 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 Shit. Almost died, man. You're fucking right, you lost the target. Where the other ones at? Over here? Okay, there's one right there. I see you, dude. I see you. Next level. Unlock food storage. Waste management. Yeah, so I guess this is where we leave the demo. Yep. I think this is where we leave the demo. It just stopped right there. Yeah. Yeah, man, but this is very I'm telling you, man, hurry up and bring this game out. Because I'm going to be playing this demo a lot. Man, this game you got your blood pumping, man. It's shit. It's bad. And this is just like one map. So imagine when they come out with like different map, different scenarios, man. This shit is going to be off the chains. Severed Steel. Yeah, man. I recommend Severed Steel. Yeah. So it's on Steam, the demo. And release date is to be announced. So not sure when it's coming out. But thanks for checking it out with me, man. Jamaican J, appreciate it. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. And big up to all my first-time viewers. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell also. You know what I'm saying? If you're a subscriber already, you don't have to do that. But you know what I'm saying. Yeah. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.